ISO 44001-2017 Documentation and Consultancy Collaborative Business Relationship Management System. Hello everyone, welcome to this informative session on ISO 44001-2017 Collaborative Business Relationship Management Systems. This video is presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, a professional organization providing ISO documentation, consultancy, auditing, and training services for organizations across multiple industries. In today's global business environment, organizations rarely operate alone. Businesses increasingly depend on strategic partnerships, supply chain collaboration, joint ventures, outsourcing relationships, and alliance management to achieve sustainable growth. However, collaboration without structure often leads to miscommunication, trust issues, unclear responsibilities, and operational inefficiencies. To address these challenges, the ISO 44001-2017 was developed. This international standard provides a structured framework for establishing, managing, and improving collaborative business relationships. In this video, we will discuss what ISO 44001-2017 is, why collaborative relationship management is important, key clauses of the standard, documentation requirements, benefits of implementation, how consultancy services from URGS can support your organization. Let us begin by understanding the concept of collaborative business relationships. Understanding collaborative business relationships. Modern organizations operate in highly interconnected ecosystems. Companies collaborate with suppliers, strategic partners, contractors and subcontractors, technology partners, joint venture organizations, government agencies, research and innovation partners. These relationships are critical for achieving innovation, efficiency, cost optimization, and competitive advantage. However, many collaboration fails due to lack of trust, poor communication, undefined roles and responsibilities, inadequate governance structures, poor risk management. The ISO 44001 standard helps organizations create structured collaboration frameworks, ensuring partnerships are managed effectively throughout their life cycle. It focuses on creating value through trusted relationships while minimizing risk and conflict. What is ISO 44001-2017? ISO 44000-2017 is an international standard that specifies requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, improving a collaborative business relationship management system, CBRMS. The standard provides a systematic approach to managing business relationships, ensuring organizations can develop strong and sustainable partnerships. ISO 44000 is applicable to organizations of all sizes and sectors, including manufacturing, construction, oil and gas, information technology, logistics and supply chain, public sector organizations, healthcare, engineering and infrastructure companies. It follows the high-level structure HLS used by many ISO standards, which allows easy integration with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. This makes it easier for organizations already implementing ISO management systems to adopt ISO 44001. Now, key objectives of ISO 44001. The primary objective of ISO 44001 is to help organizations first build effective and trustworthy partnerships. Second, improve collaboration efficiency. Third, enhance communication and transparency. Fourth, manage risk associated with partnerships. Create manual value for all stakeholders. By implementing this standard, organizations can move from transactional relationships to strategic partnerships. This results in long-term business success and stronger stakeholder engagement. Now, structure of ISO 44001 2017. The ISO 44001 standard consists of several key clauses. Clause 4 is for context of the organization. Organization must identify internal and external issues affecting collaboration, interested parties such as partners and stakeholders, scope of the collaborative relationship management system. This ensures organizations understand the environment in which collaboration occurs. Then clause 5, leadership. Top management must demonstrate commitment by establishing collaboration policies, assigning responsibilities, promoting a culture of trust and cooperation. Leadership support is essential for successful implementation. Then clause 6, planning. Organization must identify risks and opportunities, collaborative objectives, strategic planning for partnership success. This clause ensures proactive planning for relationship sustainability. Clause 7, support. Support elements include resources, competence and training, communication processes, documentation control. These elements help ensure consistent implementation. Then clause 8, operation. Operational planning includes partner selection and engagement, relationship management processes, governance structures, conflict resolution mechanisms. This clause focuses on day-to-day collaboration management. Clause 9, performance evaluation. Organizations must evaluate system performance through monitoring and measurement, internal audits, management review. This helps ensure the system remains effective. Then clause 10, improvement. Continuous improvement includes corrective actions, process improvements, learning from collaborative experiences. Organizations must continually enhance their collaboration practices. Documentation requirements. Documentation is an essential part of ISO 44001 implementation. Typical documentation includes mandatory documents, collaborative relationship policy, scope of the management system, risk assessment procedures, partner selection and evaluation process, communication procedures, governance framework, operational documents, collaboration agreements, joint objectives and performance metrics, risk management records, stakeholder engagement plans, meeting records and reports. Now records, performance monitoring reports, audit reports, improvement action records. Proper documentation ensures traceability, transparency and accountability in business relationships. Benefits of ISO 44001 implementation. Implementing ISO 44001 offers many strategic benefits. Improved business partnerships. Organizations can build stronger and more reliable partnerships. Better risk management. The standard helps identify and manage collaboration risks early. Increased innovation. Collaborative partnerships often drive innovation and knowledge sharing. Enhanced reputation. ISO certification demonstrates commitment to professional relationship management. Competitive advantage. Organizations implementing ISO 44001 gain greater trust from partners and stakeholders. Now, ISO 44001 implementation process. Let us see this. The typical implementation process involves first gap analysis. Here we evaluate current collaboration practices against ISO 44001 requirements. After this, documentation development. So here we prepare required policies, procedures and templates. Then next is system implementation. We introduce processes and train employees. Then after this comes internal audit. Verify compliance with ISO requirements. Then at last, certification audit. A certification body evaluates the management system. Once successful, the organization receives ISO 44001 certification. Now, consultancy services from URGS International. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive consultancy services for ISO 44001 implementation. Our services include gap analysis and readiness assessment, documentation development, implementation guidance, staff training programs, internal audit support, certification preparation. Our consultants have extensive experience in ISO management systems, risk management, and organizational governance. We help organizations achieve certification efficiently and effectively. Who should implement ISO 44001? The standard is particularly valuable for organizations involved in strategic partnerships, joint ventures, outsourcing arrangements, complex supply chains, public-private partnerships. Any organization that relies on collaboration for success can benefit from this system. At last, we conclude it. So, in conclusion, ISO 44001 2017 provides a structured approach to managing collaborative business relationships. It enables organizations to build trust-based partnerships, improve operational efficiency, and create long-term value. With professional guidance from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, organizations can successfully implement this standard and strengthen their collaborative capabilities. For ISO 44001 documentation and consultancy services, please contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Mobile number is +917359458455. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates on ISO standards, certification and management system implementation. Thank you.